What makes a vehicle ideal for winter driving? When the snow starts to fall, you need a reliable, capable car that can handle icy roads and harsh conditions. In this video, we'll explore which all-wheel drive vehicles are best suited for winter, and which ones you should avoid, ensuring you stay safe and stress-free all season long. Let's get started. How do you choose a good winter vehicle? Choosing a good winter vehicle involves prioritizing reliability, all-wheel drive, AWD, or four-wheel drive, 4WD systems, and good ground clearance. Look for models with proven durability in snowy conditions, like Subaru, Toyota, or Honda. Also, consider fuel efficiency, ease of repair, and overall safety features. Always check the vehicle's condition and history to ensure it's been well maintained, as a well-kept car will better handle winter challenges. The AWD vehicles to avoid. While some vehicles may seem like the perfect choice, they often come with hidden problems that can make them a nightmare during the winter months. Number 1. Late 90s to early 2000s. Land Rover Discovery 1 and 2. The late 90s to early 2000s Land Rover Discovery 1 and 2 may seem like a good choice for snow, but they come with major reliability issues. Known for frequent oil leaks, blown head gaskets, and expensive repairs, these vehicles are not ideal for those seeking a hassle-free winter ride. Maintenance costs can be astronomical, making them a risky option. Number 2. Jeep Compass or Patriot. The Jeep Compass and Patriot may perform decently in snow, but their reliability is questionable. These models are plagued by frequent CVT transmission failures and a noisy engine, often leading to costly repairs. Compared to more dependable brands like Toyota or Honda, the Compass and Patriot are not the best choice for a reliable winter vehicle. Number 3. BMW X-Drive. BMW's X-Drive models may offer all-wheel drive, but they come with significant reliability issues. These vehicles often suffer from expensive oil leaks, failing components like the front differential and transfer case, and costly repairs that can run into the thousands. If you're looking for a dependable winter vehicle, BMW's X-Drive system isn't the best choice for snowy conditions. The best AWD vehicles for snowy conditions. Now that we've covered the cars to avoid, let's talk about the ones that will actually help you survive the winter months with ease. Number 1. Subaru, 2005 and newer. Subaru vehicles from 2005 and newer are excellent choices for winter driving. With their reliable all-wheel drive system, they offer great traction in snow and icy conditions. Models like the Outback, Forester, and Impreza are known for their durability, good ground clearance, and affordable repairs. If you're looking for a dependable winter vehicle, Subaru is a top pick. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 AWD. The Toyota RAV4 AWD is a top contender for winter driving. Known for its reliability and longevity, it performs well in snow, offering good traction and stability. With a reputation for lasting over 200,000 miles, the RAV4 is also fuel-efficient and easy to maintain. It's a practical, dependable option for tackling harsh winter conditions with peace of mind. Number 3. Honda CR-V AWD. The Honda CR-V AWD is another excellent option for winter driving. With its reliable all-wheel drive system, it performs well in snowy conditions, offering stability and traction. Known for its longevity, the CR-V can easily surpass 200,000 miles. It's fuel-efficient, affordable to maintain, and a trusted choice for anyone looking for a dependable winter vehicle. Why these cars stand out for winter driving? These cars stand out for winter driving because of their reliable all-wheel drive systems, good ground clearance, and overall durability. Models like Subaru, Toyota, and Honda are known for handling snow and ice with ease, offering excellent traction and stability, while remaining affordable and easy to maintain for harsh winter conditions. Choosing the right all-wheel drive vehicle for winter is crucial for safety and reliability. Stick to well-known, dependable models like Subaru, Toyota, and Honda, and avoid problematic options like certain Land Rovers, Jeeps, and BMWs to ensure smooth, worry-free driving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the roads this winter. Until next time, take care and drive responsibly.